Hello, everybody out there in the land of make-believe. Uncle Barco here, and I wanted to show you this couple quick Google Map tricks. If you're a biker or you're a skateboarder or whatever, you want to find trails in your neighborhood, or you want to find routes to get where you're going. I got the tips for you here. Just a couple of clicks on the Google Maps and you got it all going on. This also works on their app, on the Google Maps app. So if you have the iPhone, I don't know what to tell you. I don't iPhone. I don't know what to tell you. But Google Maps, this is how you do the thing. So you find your area. You want to find out what kind of trails are in this here area. Go down to the left hand bottom of the screen, and it says satellite. I usually click that, get my satellite image up, and then over here there's other options. So biking is well, let's go to more here. Here's all your options. So it'll tell you transit locations, traffic, street view, all kinds of different. This is the one I'm looking at right here, biking. Now with the biking down at the bottom, you can see the key bottom middle, and it shows you trails, dedicated bike lanes, bicycle friendly roads, and dirt and unpaved roads. So that is pretty cool. So I just figured this out today. I knew it existed. I just figured out how to click the thing to make it do the thing. So that's great, because I am always looking for new trails in my area. Okay. Tip number 2 is if you want to go on a bicycle trip, and let's say you're going from Golden Gardens to, or let's say you're going from Golden Gardens to Gasworks Park. You want to know the best bike route. Up here at the top left of the screen, underneath right above where you put in the directions and stuff, you can pick your preferred method of travel. Let's say you want to take the bus. Boom, it'll tell you the bus routes that you got to take, and you can change that to close. You can change that to when you want to get there, when you want to leave, when you want to get there by, but I pick up cycling. So you pick the little cycling icon there, and it'll tell you the best bicycle route to get from Golden Gardens to Gasworks Park, and or walking. Walking also you get there. I think with the bicycle, you're trying to avoid hills or something. Oh yeah, definitely, because down here it'll tell you how many feet high you got to go. What is that? Altimeter? It's not an altimeter. I don't know what it's called, but it tells you right down here, the hills you got to climb. It'll tell you where your hills are. So if you're looking here, not a lot of hills. Let's say we want to move that over to here to where the walking one is. Boom, there you got a big hill. This is a big hill. You got to lump over. Why they'd want you to walk that, I do not know. That's weird. That would be the walking path there. The bicycling path. If I was walking, I'd take the. In any case, that's the tricks. You want to know how to get to a place on your bicycle, you can do it through Google Maps. If you want to know where your trails are in your area, anywhere you want to go, boom. Also, Google Maps is good like that. Just a quick thing on that there. I'll get them. I'm a little videoed out. I did a bunch of videos last week. I'm a little edited out. So I'm going to get a video out next Wednesday. Until then, ride safe, be seen, have fun.